Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Don't forget to click the subscribe button as you are watching now. I notice a lot of people watch, but they innocently they don't subscribe. So I'd like you to click the subscribe button now before we start this. So today I want to show you a jazzy 6251 6251 in the key of C. I use this in church. So for the fact that I call it jazzy does not mean you can use this in church. You can use this chords in church, you can use it for your jazz stuff. Alright, so let's get to the keys and see what we have. Alright, welcome back to this channel. My name is Johnsonkeyz. I've been your teacher since the year 2015. If you've not been following, I welcome you all. So we're going to be in the key of C today. We have a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Right. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So when we say 6 to 5, and what does that mean? That means this 6 degree in the scale, in the major C major scale, the 2 degree in the C major scale, 5th degree in the C major scale, 1 degree in the, and it goes like that. So 6, 3. So let's start from 6. Now the 6, I'll do something like this, a chord like this. Now left I have A, E, and C sharp. On right I have this is like a diminished chord, right? It's a D flat diminished chord, so but inverted. So we have a G, D flat, and E. So save that, right? For 2 we're gonna do something like this. This is a D minor 9, right? D minor 9. So we have a on the left we have a D, A, and C. On right we have a F sharp, A, C, and E. Right? I'll make sure I'm not making any mistake. Then 5. On 5 we have we have on the left we have a G7. That's a G, D, F. On right we have a F, E. Sorry, F, A, B, and then what's it called? E flat. So this is another chord, right? This is F dominant 7 flat 5. So together we have a 6. On 2 we have on 5 we have, on 1 we have a chord like this, C and G on left. On right I have a D and E together with my thumb, G, B, and E. So right, so let's do a song. What chord did I give for 3? Excellent is your name. Hola. You can see that. Excellent is your name. Hola. So you can see you can use these chords in. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. You've not done it. You're still watching. You've not subscribed. Just click that button, and that's all. God bless you. So that's the chord. You can use it in gospel settings as you've listened and heard. Oh, excellent is your name, oh Lord. Right. So and if you're looking for the full tutorial to this song, I have it on the channel. Well recorded with mics and everything in the studio, so it's on the channel, so you can check for that on the channel or ask me for the link. I'll send that to you. Don't forget to share this with your friends. God bless you in Jesus' name.